Hello everybody, welcome to Patriot Chevrolet. The weather is horrible, there's snow, there's slush, there's all kinds of junk out here. It's cold and miserable, but guess what? When you have to get your vehicle serviced, this is the place to do it, because not only do we have this beautiful overhang with express service, we're going to take care of your vehicle quickly and in a courteous manner. It's the reason that we are one of 2 dealerships in the state of Pennsylvania that's elite certified. Guess what the 2 dealerships are? Patriot Chevrolet and Patriot Buick GMC. We are the best service department in the state of Pennsylvania, and part of the reason starts right here with our great entrance that comes on in to a friendly staff who's going to make sure we get your vehicle taken care of every time. With our state-of-the-art facility and great staff, we're going to make sure your vehicle is always taken care of quickly, promptly, and courteously, and you're always going to be out of the elements, which not all my competitors can say. So I just want to invite you in to use our service department. Patriot Chevrolet right here in Limerick, Pennsylvania. Phone number 610-495-1800.